And welcome back to another video with Sorte. As you've read from the title, I am going to be unwinding or relaxing after like a long school semester. So I'm currently back home. I'm in Oshakati, and when I say this is a much needed self-care or relaxing time, unwinding, whatever you want to call it, it's just really needed. I'm exhausted. I'm lazy. I'm very lazy. I don't know, mainly because of my exhaustion. Yo, this semester was wild, and I am so sorry for not posting for the past 4 months. I think the last time I posted was June. It's November now, and I have no excuse. I literally have no excuse. Honestly, the semester was very fast. It was just like I started today, it's already exams and exams. Speaking of exams, yo guys, I don't even want to think about that because these exams made me rethink my life choices. When I mean I was rethinking my life choices while I was in the exam room instead of thinking for answers. Because those questions, that's how they messed me up. I'm in the exam hall and I'm thinking of how, I don't even know, my life journey, or what do you call it? How did I get to this point? How did I get to this? Because so yeah, I mean, what's done is done. And got back, and then look at what I saw. Look at what they did to the tap. This is not normal, you guys. It's bent sideways. The tap is bent. I feel like every time I'm going it, they're always breaking stuff. Like, because it's like I can't even open. What am I even saying? What was it? Yeah. So somebody once asked me like, what type of filter do I put on my phone when I'm filming? And to be honest, I don't put any filters. Like, Androids don't have filters, or at least my Android does not have a filter. I don't have a filter. It's just naturally good looks. So Thank you, God. Just use one type of soap, which is this one, and I use this other tissue oil for my face. That's it. I'm not really into. I don't use any face cloth, so I've stopped using a cloth ever since. Honestly, I think the whole of this year I've not used a cloth, and when I stopped using the face cloth, my acne disappeared. I just use my face now. My face. I use my hands. I know what's going on. I'm a little rusty from not filming for. So yes, I'm going to have a large cup of tea on this cloudy day in this beer mug, whatever this is. And don't look at me like that. I know, okay? This is where we keep our sugar. Damn it. Oh yeah. What was I saying? Right, you guys, I really do have to apologize. I feel like I do have to apologize for like not filming. School in the second semester was way hectic compared to the first semester, and I feel like I am more free to be filming back here at home than I am at Windhoek. Mainly because at Windhoek I'm doing nothing. It's just like I go to school, I come back home. I go to school, then I come back home. At least here, I have things to do, places to be. Although I am broke, still, I can go to places. Unlike Windhoek, if you're broke, then, I mean. But really though, I just really wanted to take the time to apologize for not being consistent with my work. And I don't know what happened, man. My YouTube was growing from 31 subscribers to 73 now, so thank you so much for that. Yeah, I promise I'll be consistent. I'll be posting more because I'm back home now, so I'm gonna be posting more. So I just took a shower because I'm going out after that long cooking. I don't even know how long it took for me to cook, but I just took a shower. I'm going out. I'm gonna meet somebody very special.
Hi guys.
Rusty.
This is Lizette. I know you guys saw me on this channel maybe 2-3 times. Yeah, I'm the person that Sorte came to meet. Some people call you John Maso, yeah. We're just taking a walk, because Homa.
It's boring. It's boring.
Mumba muna depression, abra. You're my
It's my mom opening the gate. That's the sound. Anyway, guys, good morning. It is the next day, and today I have so much to do. Turns out there's a graduation, my niece's graduation, and I need to get ready because it's today. Ooh, coronavirus. Eh? Patay mo lipian. Omo. Do mga fina naman do dama kwe. Oh my kutulam. Lady went to go get her stock. Don't kill me with the car. Hey, Mariana. Oi. So this is the home girl who's graduating today. Finally from, I don't know, pre-love. Wala makanya. Daw graduate na ususungo. She's getting her hair done. Do your hair while I'm going to help out with this situation. Say hi to the camera. Somebody's graduating. Somebody's graduating. Somebody's graduating. Somebody's graduating. Hey. She's feeling herself, bro. Did my hair? Yes guys, so I did my hair courtesy of Mariana. Thanks to her, she actually did my hair. I just felt like the afro was being too much now. Tone it down, so I had it done, but I kind of have like mixed feelings about it. I'm not so sure if it's like a good look, so let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this? Is this genuinely good, bad, like middle-ish? Because I feel like it's fine. mean, I think it looks fine, but change myself in the mirror, by the way. I mean, it looks fine, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments.